working hard, 9 to 5, 2 jobs to survive. She's my supermodel.
Okay, so today's video is a little bit of a switch up for my channel. I know I have a lot of moms following me, a lot of women. I'm sure a lot of you might be natural. If not, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, my name is Nicole. I do DIY videos like home and lifestyle stuff. Today I'm doing a DIY silk press. These are the products I'm using. I'll show you guys detailed as I'm using it throughout the process, what I use in what order, but you can see here the 6 products that I used for my DIY silk press. So my hair is looking so dry, so brittle, and I don't know if this looks bad to y'all, but it's bad. It's not moving that much, and I just want my hair to be nice and flowy and silky. So I'm taking you guys through my silk press. So this is the Shea Moisture 10-in-1 Renew shampoo. Super fruit complex. It's really good. I wash my hair twice. I use 2 different shampoos each time. I think it's important to wash your hair twice, especially if you have a lot of hair. It's like super thick like mine or thicker, to get like all of that dirt out. So I'm using this shampoo first, making sure I scrub my scalp super good, because for some reason, I don't know if it's the summertime, honestly it's year round, that my scalp is like getting super dry. So just trying to make sure I scratch out any like dryness. I know it probably sounds bad and disgusting, but it's true, it's real. On my channel, we don't judge each other. I don't judge you, you don't judge me. Make sure you guys check out my home DIY videos. I have a lot of stuff on like do-it-yourself home improvement. This is the next shampoo that I'm using. It's by Shea Moisture also. But I'm a DIYer in general, so I like to like do my own hair. 1, to save money, and 2, because everyone doesn't know how to do my hair, especially if you have like curly texture, thick hair. Everyone doesn't know how to do your hair, even if they are black just like you. Sometimes they don't understand how thick or how much it takes to do your hair, and some stylists get stressed out by how long it takes, or try to charge you more money. So then I'm going in with the conditioner. This is Bella Curls Coconut Milk Nourishing Conditioner. I think I got this from the dollar store. And then I'm also going in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask. I'm putting them both on together, and then I'm going to set, you'll see. But this stuff smells so good. Both, actually, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the mask I'm using, they both smell super good, and they're like super hydrating for your curls. Y'all can see already like how healthy my curls are starting to look. Like, it was so brittle before I started this wash conditioner process, but this stuff smells so good. I have a comb, and a wide tooth comb, and then like a soft brush. Sometimes I use the wig brush, but sometimes I feel like my hair is so thick that it like breaks the brush, no matter how good of a brush it is. So I'm just like detangling my hair while the conditioner and the mask is in it. Like, you have to really comb through it while your hair is wet and moisturized with the conditioner. I feel like that's the key to a nice silky silk press. So just making sure all the tangles come out, and then you can start to see I slowed it down a little bit. So like the slow brush, it's looking real hydrated, looking real detangled. But I have a secret product that's coming up on the real tea on how to get a nice silk press in like an easy, quick. Like, this product has really slowed down or sped up the time it takes to like actually do this. I use it on my daughter's hair too, and she has a 4C texture. If y'all want me to do a video on that, showing that process, let me know in the comments below, because I know everybody may not have the same texture as me. Some people have thicker, more coarse hair, maybe more dry, so let me know. I don't have a cap. I keep it like, this is like a no judgment zone, but I just use a grocery bag, tied it around my hair, and I'm gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes, and then I rinse it out. And y'all can see how much more hydrated it is. It's a combination of the conditioner and the mask. Sometimes I use the mask by itself, but I like to do both if I haven't really like deep conditioned my hair in a while. And so now you can see like it's so much easier to comb it out. Waves are popping. Like the conditioner, the deep conditioning method, double shampoo and the mask is really beneficial. You guys should try it. Let me know in the comments below if you use a mask and conditioner together like I did, or if you plan to try it. Let me know in the comments below. All right, now this is the key. This John Frieda Frizz Ease Once I discovered this, there was a game changer. So you have to put it on while your hair is still wet. I've watched other YouTubers. I actually found this product on YouTube because I'm like trying to figure something out for my daughter's hair. And this John Frieda is so good. So you put it on after you condition your hair. You rinse it out. While it's still wet, you put it all over your hair. You don't need a whole lot. Like a little goes a long way. But that is the game-changing product because you can see I'm blow drying my hair in large sections. I only did 4 sections. Never before would I ever be able to like blow dry my hair this easily. And it being like this detangled. So the product, the John Frieda Frizz Ease, like is a game changer for detangling your hair, like all types of hair. And I'm telling y'all, like on my daughter's hair, it's like super thick, super unmanageable when you're not using the right products, and it like works wonders. So again, I will do a video on that for all my ladies out there who have like the 4C, that super thick dry hair. It's a game changer for y'all too. So blow dry my hair. I showed y'all the blow dryer in the video, so if y'all want details, if you missed it, just like scroll back and you'll see it. Super good blow dryer. Obviously just use a blow dryer that has the comb attachment. If you're not using a comb attachment, like I don't know what y'all doing. Like it's much needed. Like, so this is blow dry, and then I went ahead and like I pressed out one side, so you'll see that side is straight, nice and silky, and then I'm going to show you on the other side how I did this. Disclaimer, I do need my ends trimmed. I did not trim in this video, but I do need that. So the bio silk, once you finish blow drying your hair, then you put the bio silk on, a nice even coat, moving around with your fingers or whatever, work it in, and then you just flat iron your hair in sections. So this flat iron is a game changer too, y'all. Like these products that I'm using is like super affordable but super good. Like I got this flat iron from the beauty supply store. It was only like $30. And it's a game changer. Like every flat iron is not a good flat iron, and you don't necessarily need an expensive flat iron. But I do this. I don't even need to do super small sections like I used to do, because like I said, the products, the John Frieda and then the Bio Silk together, it makes your hair so easy to flat iron. And some people might be looking at this video like, oh girl, you got quote unquote good hair. No, it's not. Like it's the products that I'm using, because I've been super stressed out trying to blow my hair out in the past because it's so tangled and so unmanageable. But the products I'm using is really what is the game changer for me. So the smaller sections, the better. But again, you don't need to do them super small when you're using good products. So just going through, flat ironing my hair in pieces, obviously not too big, but you don't need to do big. I used to do like super baby sections, and it just took too much time when it's like not really necessary. So going in and just flat ironing this other side so you guys can see the full transformation. If you guys just look back, scroll back to the video, the beginning of the video, and see how brittle and dry my hair looked, and then before I started blow drying and into now, you can see the transformation is crazy. It didn't take that long to actually blow dry and straighten my hair, maybe like 30 minutes with breaks in between. But my hair looks so much better. It was so easy to do this silk blowout. Obviously, if you wrap it at night, it'll last. And then to top it off, I just put some more bio silk to like get rid of any flyaways. I really wish I had trimmed my ends, but I need to go get some more shears. It will look so much better. But I hope you guys like this video. This is a close-up at the ends. The ends aren't terrible, but I like my ends like super like blunt cut. Like this is a back view. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this type of content, if you're already a subscriber to my channel. If not, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have all types of DIY projects, videos, and I have more coming soon. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys next time.